Okay. APP means automatic payment program. Automatic, where you make the payments automatically to the vendors. If you complete this chapter, we have done with our AP chapters, FPZ is a transaction code. FPZ is a transaction code. You should be prior to this because they will ask you configuration of APP, all company code, pay company code, pay methods and country, payments and company code, bank determination, and house bank is one of the master data, which is there. Click on all company code, all the company code. There can be a number of company codes. Click on new entries all company code. What is the company code, Mike?
AL99.
AL99. Sending company code is also same thing, AL99. We do not have any other company codes. Otherwise, company coders are going to take a decision which company code is going to make payments. Paying company code is also same, AL99. And maximum cash discount. What are the discount has to be given? Please give it. And next one. Paying company codes. These are configurations. Inventories. Paying company code AL99. AL99. Minimum amount for incoming payment. Minimum amount. I'm writing some 100 rupees. Minimum amount for outgoing payment. And see, for example, what happens, you go your control data. It is a controlling point of view. For example, you deposit the money in bank, even 1 rupee is also accepting. But if you withdraw 100 rupees or 500 rupees is the minimum which they allow you, correct? But here we are putting a condition. If you withdraw as well as deposit, should be 100. Should be 100. Click on forms. Forms for the payment advice. It's a script which runs on the backside. Click on this. Germany. Payment advice note. English. Sender details. Text ID, standard text. And save it. Pay methods in country. It's nothing to worry on the country point of view because the country is already only once. It's not a company code level. So go to the position and the country IN and payment method. What method you are going to make the payment? Check. C. Check it. C is there. India is there. C is there. You just have to go on view it. Check. See. Did you see the spelling of check? Check. CHEC. And here you need to be clearly identified. This should be like this: RFFOUS underscore C. Sometime what happened? RFFOUS underscore SC it will be. You have to remove that and you have to put C. Ensure that check is there on this video program. Otherwise, you won't get the answer. Save it. Pay methods in company code. Inventories. Paying company code. Paying company code. AL99. Payment method C. Now here it is very, very important. This they will ask you the interview. Minimum amount limits, minimum amount, 1,000 rupees. Like running what we consider as 1,000. Maximum amount, some names. Now, foreign currency, there are 3 conditions which has to be allowed. Foreign business partners allowed. Foreign currency, let me take it later. Customer, vendor, bank, abroad allowed. Now, when I click on the foreign currency, foreign business partner, if the business partners are in foreign, please allow them apart from the India. Customer, vendor, bank, abroad. So if the customers are vendors, banks are in abroad bank, please allow them. And foreign currency, when I click on the foreign currency, this will be activated. Have a look. 1, 2, 3. See. Click on forms data. Form for the payment medium, international. Check with check manager and English. Next one. Check with check manager. And save it. This is the next payment medium. What out to the payment when you make the payment? What should be the format? It's the same format what we are following. This next form also when you send a second payment also should be the same format. Only the data has to be changed. One second. Can you hear me now?
Yeah,
Hello.
yeah, sir. Yeah, sir.
All right. Internet got. Our company codes and payment methods are over, right? Payment methods are done. Let me see. AL99. Just checking. AL99 is not over. So click the payment method and D. Paying company code AL99. Payment method. Payment method C. Some thousand. Some nines. 1, 2, 3. Forms. Next form also. This is what I was explaining you at that point of time. Now next one. After doing this, all company payment, paying company code, payment to the country, payment to the company code, go for house bank, then come for a bank determination. Go for house bank, company code, AL, AL99. You know this house bank, house bank, ICICI. Which bank? Bank country, India. Bank key, ICICI 1, 2, 3, 4, and try to save it. Double click on bank accounts. Beyond is account ID. You have got house ICICI bank account. What you have? Current account or savings account. It's a current account. Business always current account. Description ICICI. Bank account number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. Currency INR, INR, GL account, GL account. Whatever AL99 ICICI bank GL account if it is there, please push that ICICI bank and try to save it. Okay. Now, last one, bank determination. Enter the bank determination. Master data is over. Put the bank determination last. Go to the position. Paying company code. Who is going to pay AL99? AL99 full row. Ranking order. Double click on rank order. New entries. Payment method. What is the PPA start for payment method? C. Currency. INR. We have got only bank, one bank. There can be a number of banks. So you're giving first preference for which bank? ICICI Bank. ICICI Bank. If you have got two banks, CINR 2 SDFC, CINR 3 SBI, like that. You have to go and give the preferences. Is the information. Bank accounts, which accounts are there? Let's say bank account,
Sir,
ICICI. Yeah.
yeah, there is a mandated to take ICICI Bank only, sir.
No. I took it as ICICI, so I created ICICI. You can take HDFC, SBI, so on banks. What GL account you're creating? And GL accounts are important.
Oh,
No? I create ICICI, so I gave ICICI. So, but they're giving you preferences, SDFC, SBI, so on, banks. There were 7, 8 banks. So you say first preference I'll give to this account. See, for example, what will happen? You will be having some 2, 3 bank accounts. Okay, if your friend is asking, okay, I want to transfer the money. So which is good for your bank? You will tell, okay, you transfer in a SBI bank for me. He will say, no, no. Do you have a ICICI? Then second option will be there with you. Yes, I have got. So you wanted to do on that? Yes, I'll give you the account numbers. Correct.
Yes.
Normally, what we are talking. I was buying ICICI pay method. See, check payment. Currency INR. Current account ID, current account. Bank sub account is ICICI Bank. GL account 100. 100. Shit. Now this is the latest one which has come. In some servers you can identify, some servers you won't get it. Bank account. New entries. It's a combination of ranking order and bank accounts. See, house bank, ICICI. By seeing only you should be able to write. P stand for payment method. C. Currency INR. Ranking order 1, which is on the first. Current account CA. Sub account you should be taking from the 100. 100 and save it. Available amount. New entries. House bank ICICI. Current ID CA. Days 365. Currency INR. Money should be the available amount means how much money should be there on a yearly basis to make the payments. Available amount, some 9 should be there in the account. That only I can make the payments, right? If there are no money in the account, ICICI Bank, how can I make the payment for the vendors? So some minimum amount should
Yes.
be there in the bank account. That is what we are saying. Yeah, we are saying save it. We are saving it. Then validate. Validate is nothing but a due date. Due date. When I make the payments, what should be the due date for this? Validate. New entries. New entries. Payment method C. House bank ICICI. Account ID CA. Amount 11 days, 3 days or 2 days. It is like a check. If you give any bank check within 3 days, realization. Data was saved. Yeah. Okay. Right. Any other doubts? Any other?
No.
So
No.
configuration is completed. Let's go for um, let's go for end user. End user. First end user. First to do a B60. You have to raise the invoice. Raise an invoice. Vendor account should be knowing the vendor account. Check your company code. Vendor account. Vendor account. Invoice date. Invoice date. 9. Amount. What should be the minimum amount? 1,000. Which is no amount authorization vendors and servers. 3040. This is always a concept of picture. Vendors, right? I'm checking this.
Hey on. So we all try.
See, it's here. Then business transaction, open item. Okay, open item. Let's see. Business transaction. Open item clearing. Open item clearing. Clearing differences. This has to be done. Username. FI user 08. First my company code. There 99. Now it should work. No amount tolerance. One tolerance. Slash no the A3. First box also will write safe side. Now, because they have done some mistakes. Already exit with the same key. That is clearing out there. Session ID 60. I'm doing refreshing. Okay. Okay. Now need to think that way. Our system will come to know whether you should pay in check. If you miss at invoice level, if you want to make consider as a check, then go to the payment and make it as a payment method C, check. Payment method C. C stands for check. Think that you forgot. Think that you forgot and post it. Where is the business area? It's not important. Go to business area. Person of the see what it is asking. A lot of issues are getting because somebody is doing practicing. But unless until you know, you can't do anything. How to resolve? Purchase business area. The surprise. We make it as a required. Now, SB 60. We'll try for this, otherwise we'll stop it for the day. Tomorrow we can do the end user. Now it can. Done. 604. Clear? Now you know
Yes.
that we did not write the payment method. Payment method. See, if you forgot to write, they will ask you in the interview. If you forgot to write, what is that? A payment method in invoice level, then where you can write in the second option is line item level. Go to the line item. Line item slash and FBL 1M. FBL 1M. Put the vendor. Put the vendor. Put the vendor. All item. 98
Nice.
and 9. Still dates and 6. Double click is outstanding. Double click on that. Right. Let's edit. Edit. Go to the next. Payment method. Payment method C. Payment method C.
Seems
Okay. You edit it and make the payment method C. That's it. Now you make the payments. Lesson F110. F110. Last one. How to make the payments. Today's date. Today's date 05 9 dot 09.08 2022. Identification. Identification. What is identification? Look, anything you can write. Or you can write a company code also.
AL19.
No no parameters entered. So click on parameters. Company code AL99. Payment method. See, if both are missing, then third option is here. Next payment run, month end. 30 dot 08 dot 2022. Vendor. What is the vendor? Very important to identify the vendors. So we should have this vendor. Click on additional log. First, third, fourth vendor. This is a standard one, okay? And save it. When you click on the parameters and click on status, you will get one more tab here. Just see. Proposal. Click on proposal, payment parameters I entered. Click on proposal, start immediately, continue. Proposal is running. Go on and until you enter complete. See, payment proposal has been created. So some more fields came. Click on this pen proposal. Pen proposal. Continue. See, there are two are there. Double click on that. How much is our money? Was 1,000, right? 1,604. Correct?
Yes.
1,000. Ours is 1,000. So you don't have to worry on that. Go back.
1300.
1,300 is there, but we raised what? We raised what? 1,300 is big,
1,000.
but we raised 1,000, right? Against
1,000.
that, we have raised, but it is in red. Green only I can make the payment.
Yes.
Okay. I can make the payment. So nothing to worry. Make the payment now. See here.
Payment.
700 came for 1,000. So go here, FB, FBL 1N, and see that 604 should be green. See, 604 became 700. Against 604, today's date. It became 700. Now 300 is pending. Did you see that? For that,
Yes.
why it came red? Because we haven't mentioned payment method C for that. We
Yes.
never went here like this. We never did anything over here. Here. This is where. Yeah, we did not write payment method. That's the reason it didn't. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Got it?
So
Confirm?
we have to take here C, na sir, payment method.
Yeah, exactly, payment method. Then only it will work out. Okay. Enjoy. Today is holiday for you.
Yes.
Today is holiday.
Today for me, yes, sir. Yes.
It's a holiday. Then what's planned today? Practicing, going MG Road.
Doing, sir. Doing, sir.
Or going MG Road, Jayanagar.
Jayanagar.
Going to Jayanagar, is it?
Yeah. Okay, sir.
That's it. Okay, no problem. I'll share you the document. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, thank you. Got the answer, right? We configured and we saw the answers.
Yeah.
Fine. Thank you. Bye bye.
Yeah.
Thank you.